Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by, and we finally have it. The Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Now, I'm hyped for this phone, but I'm also really, really anxious about this phone. And yes, I know that I use the word anxious to describe how I feel about a phone, but when you spend $1,399, $1,399, $1,400, all before tax, $1,500 after tax. Yeah, I think anxious, I think anxiety, I think something along those lines is justified when speaking about a phone that Samsung has dubbed Ultra. Because this phone right here is supposed to be everything that you want in a phone. Because if you're going to put a price tag like that, yeah, you better get those kinds of things out of your phone. Now, I get it. Things aren't always perfect, but we've gotten to the point now where we expect perfection or very close to it when we spend our hard-earned money when it comes to almost anything in life, but especially things with this kind of price tag. So what we're going to do here is we're going to simply unbox it. Then I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit of how I plan on attacking the review of this phone. And then you guys, please let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to focus on. I've actually put up a poll on my channel. Please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. So let's get to it. Woo, 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 woo. I can't lie. I already actually cut through the tab, and that's why you guys kind of can see a little bit of smudges here in the front. All right, so this right here is the gray version, I think is what you want to call this. I'm actually a little bit disappointed that Samsung didn't give us all the fancy color schemes that they did with the S20 Plus and regular. So you got this one right here, which is this kind of, I don't know, I guess you'd call this gray, maybe, you know, cement color. And then they have your typical black. So color-wise, not excited, but I definitely didn't want to get just a black one because this one does give a little bit more character. And obviously, when you look at the phone, you can't help but notice that massive camera hump. I mean, it is what it is. It's easily the biggest module I've seen on a camera phone at least. Smartphone, gosh. It's big, it protrudes, but it is what it is. That's Ultra, right? That's what you can expect. One thing that a lot of people dislike, but I actually love, are that smartphone manufacturers, some of them at least, are putting a very basic screen protector right on the phone. That gives me the peace of mind to start using the phone right out the box and not be paranoid that I'm going to start getting some scratches. So thank you, Samsung, for doing that. If you don't like it, peel it off. But don't ask them to stop doing this because I can never get a screen protector so perfectly aligned. So thank you again, Samsung, for doing that. So this is the phone. Let me put this aside right here. Inside, you're going to get a super fast charger. You're going to get some AKG earbuds. The cable itself, I'm not even going to pull those things out because I never use them. And there you go. You can actually buy a faster version of this, the 45 watt. This is a 25 watt. I can't even get this thing in the box right. So yeah, you can get a 45 watt. I think it costs you $50. Tests have shown that it's completely not worth it. I think you charge your phone about 5 minutes faster, so save yourself the money. So thankfully we have a very fast charger in, and that's it. This is all you get for $1,400 before taxes. Nothing fancy, nothing spectacular, nothing like the Galaxy Fold. I don't know how the Flip unboxing is, but this costs just as much as a Flip. So there you have it. Very quick, very simple. If you've seen my unboxing, you've seen tons of unboxings. Mine's no special. But I do want you guys to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to take a different approach when it comes to reviewing this phone. If you're new to my channel, what I like to do is focus on essentials. I'll make a video about things I like. I'll make a video about things I dislike. I'll make a video about my overall impression, who this phone is for, should you get it, should you not. And then I'm also going to focus on battery life, a little bit on camera quality, you know, in video and stills combined. So when you hit the subscribe button, the future videos that you can expect are going to be focusing on battery life first and foremost, I'm going to try to do a couple videos on if I use the 120 hertz, what's my battery life been like? If I use the Quad HD, how my battery life has been, and then just overall impressions, and then of course the likes and dislikes, and we'll go from there. So hit that subscribe button, and guys, please hit that like button as well if you like this video. Then right here off to the side, we've got the Huawei Watch G2. I just got this in. I'm going to do an unboxing and then reviews on this bad boy here as well. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely follow along. Catch you guys in the next videos. Let me know in the comment section below what you expect or what you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do so. And like always, stay geeky. It was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.